Hello, everybody. It's Cindy Ingram. Welcome back to Art Around the World in 30 Days. I don't know what day number we're on, and I think I keep saying it wrong in the video, so I'm just going to say hello. Today is Tuesday, July 18th, and I have got another amazing artwork for you. And sorry, I did not do a video yesterday. I had a epic migraine. It would not go away. Thankfully today, I just have kind of that migraine hangover feeling, but the headache is gone, thank goodness. So sign up to get these emails when I release these videos at artclasscurator.com/AATW. And there's also a giveaway on that page that you can enter. But today we're going to look at an artwork, well, a series of artworks by British artist Permindar Kaur. And let me share my screen so you can see these excellent works. All right. There we are. All right, let me make it a little bigger. Okay, so these are works from an exhibition called Outgrown. And you can see they are installation/sculptures. She does both installation art and sculptures. So like the whole exhibit is kind of one big installation too. Here's one, it's got a bed with kind of these soft, pokey things down at the bottom. And what I find in all of these sculptures from this exhibit is kind of an exploration of two opposites, like comfort versus discomfort. And she is in this exhibit, you can see the text here, she is considering the question, where is home? And her art before this exhibit too, you can click through her other exhibits and other works. This is a common question that she asks in her artwork. And like who we are, where we belong, and it blurs the boundaries between public and private spaces. And then there was another part of her website that it said, home is a place where tensions of security are fought out, when comfort and discomfort, safety and danger, protection and threat all reside. And so you can see that sort of duality and dichotomy in her work, that those contrasting ideas, places where we feel like we should feel comfortable, but we're not, and stuff like that. So you can kind of, wonder if I can click on these to make them bigger. Yes. So, chairs that you're supposed to sit on, are way too tall for you. These look like little figures. All of them, if you spend some time looking at them, have that duality. And I don't want to point it all out for you, because I would love for you to go in and really explore these ideas for yourself. And again, these are my interpretations too. So what you might think is happening is going to come from your experience of what home is, your experience of these things. And so I don't want to just sit and interpret it for you. I would invite you to explore her website, especially this one. If you go to art and then you can click these other exhibits, there's some more of the same theme. And then, you can scroll all the way back down to her work from 1990 is on here. And then pick one and spend some time with it. And which one kind of gives you a feeling? So not necessarily like a thought, but like which one, when you see it, causes like a seizing of your heart, or a drop in your stomach, or like a tension in your shoulders. Like listen to your body when you look at it. Is there something in it that is disturbing you or interesting you, and is your body reacting to it? And then to really explore the artwork from that place. So think about the if it is like a drop in your stomach, listen to that drop in your stomach. What is that drop in your stomach trying to tell you? Ask that drop in your stomach questions about what it's reacting to, and really kind of listen to that intelligence in your body and how it's responding to the work of art. So that's what I would encourage you to do with these works of art. I think when you're working with students in this work of art in this series, having them do the same, that sort of mind-body connection is real. Our bodies do have all this wisdom for us, and we're kind of trained out of that. We're trying to use our heads in education and not necessarily use our gut feelings, and we're kind of taught to distrust those feelings, and go against like that feeling, though, that sort of natural knowing that our bodies have. And so that can help your students. And then also, as like an art project for this one, having students work with two contrasting ideas, two opposites, whether it's in a picture, or painting or a drawing, or whether it is a work of sculpture. How can they display that opposites and how they play off of each other in one work of art? So that would be what I would explore in this artwork. And I think I would, depending on your age level of students, like allow them to choose what material that they use and how they represent it. So that's the artwork for today. Again, it's Permindar Kaur, and she is a British contemporary artist. I will put her website link down below the video so you can explore her work on your own. All right, again, sign up for the emails at artclasscurator.com/AATW, and I will see you tomorrow for another work of contemporary art from around the world. Bye.